Welcome children, come we will see the next topic. Okay, first aid. Okay, take your textbook, take page number 193. First aid, the help given to an injured person before taking him or her to a doctor is called first aid. So what is first aid? That is the help given to an injured person. Okay, before taking him or her to a doctor or a hospital is called first aid. Okay, this is very important and can even save the life of the person, and even save the life of the person. So this is very important. First aid is very important. Okay, it can save the life of a injured person. Okay, injured person. Okay, you may have to help someone during an emergency. So you should help when someone is in emergency. So you should know how to help people in different situations. So you should know how to help people in different situations. That means in different emergencies. Okay. See, do not panic if there is an accident. First of all, try to call an adult for help. Okay. Do not get panic. Okay. Tell yourself that you can handle the situation. Comfort the injured person. Do not let people crowd around the injured person. Allow free flow of fresh air. Okay. The first aid to be given depends on the type of the injury. Okay. So, do not allow the crowd to cover the injured person, so that the injured person can get fresh air. Okay. That means he can breathe easily, he or she can breathe easily. Okay, understood? And you don't get panic, don't get what? Don't get panic. Okay, don't get fear. Okay. Call an adult for help. Okay, and the first aid to be given. Now you can give the first aid. Okay, see what are all the types of accidents occurs and what all the first aid that you should give in that situation is, if cuts and bleeding injuries occurs. If cuts and bleeding injuries occurs, stop the bleeding by applying pressure on the cut area. You can stop bleeding by applying pressure, okay, on the cut area by pressing it. Okay. Clean the area with warm water. Apply an antibiotic cream. Okay. Antibiotic cream you will have in your home, no? If you get small hurt and all, your mother will apply, no? So apply an antibiotic. If it is a small cut or bleeding injury, some small cut happens means, okay, press it, okay, so that bleeding will stop, and after that to clean the place, okay, clean with warm water and apply antibiotic cream and put a sterile bandage on the injured part. Okay, look here, see, this is the first aid what we should follow if a cut or bleeding injuries occurs. We should apply pressure to avoid bleeding and wash it with warm water and apply antibiotic cream. Okay, and put a sterile bandage on the injured part. Okay, if the cut is very big. Okay, understood children? Come, we will see what first aid we should give if burns occurs. Hold the burnt part of the skin under cool running water. Okay, hold the burnt part no, of the skin, burnt part of the skin. Okay, while cooking your mother will get burnt. What? Burns. Okay, while what? Bursting crackers and also you will get burns, no? So what you should do that time? You should give first aid to that person, no? So hold the burnt part of the skin under cold running water. Okay, apply an antiseptic cream like Bernol or, okay, antiseptic cream like Bernol. Bernol is an antiseptic cream. Okay, or keep ice over the burnt area so that it will become chill. Okay. Call a doctor if the burns are serious. So, if the burns are serious, call the doctor, you go to hospital, go visit a doctor that time itself. Okay, okay children. So, what you should do if you get a burn? Okay, you should apply antiseptic cream. Okay, and you can keep ice on it so that it will become chill. Okay, and nose bleeding. That means what? Come, we will see. Make the person, if blood is coming out of the nose, it will happen commonly in your friends, no? Yeah, in the school. So, what you should do that time? Make the person sit up and lean forward slightly. Okay, that means look here, make him to sit like that. Sit up and lean forward slightly. Okay. Then pinch the nose firmly just below the bone for 7 to 8 times. Like this you should pinch the bone in the nose firmly. Okay. 7 to 8 times. Press a wet cloth or ice wrapped in a piece of cloth to the nose. So, you should press a wet cloth. Never let the person lie down or tilt his or head backward. Okay. Never let the person lie down or tilt his head or head backward. Okay. So, never allow the person like that. Okay. Understood children? In this way we can avoid nose bleeding. Okay. This will happen commonly in your friends. For you also it may occur, no, at that time you should do like that. Just pinch the nose firmly, okay, below the bone like this and for 7 to 8 times, okay, and press a wet cloth or ice wrapped cloth, okay, to the nose. Okay children, in this way we can avoid nose bleeding. This is a first aid to be given to the person who is having nose bleeding. Okay, come we will go to the next page. Fainting, okay, fainting. Make the person lie on the back like this. You may allow the person to, okay, lie on the back. Raise the legs higher than the level of the body. Okay, see here like this. Make the legs higher than the body. Okay, let the person to lie on the back. Let the person to sleep like this. Okay, lie down like this. Okay, and allow him to make his leg like this. Okay. This allows the blood flow to the brain. This will allow the blood flow to the brain. Loosen the buttons and belt. Call the person's name. If he or she responds, give a sip of water. Let the person rest till he or she recovers fully. Okay. If fainting occurs, if he faints while playing, okay, allow him to lie down and make the legs to in the higher place. Raise the legs higher than the level of the body and allow him. Also, this allows the blood flow to the brain, okay, and give some water to him, okay, so that the person, and allow him to take rest for some time so that she recovers fully, he or she recovers fully. Okay. This is the first aid that we should give for the fainted person. Okay. Okay. Come we will see the next first aid what we should do. We should give for insect bite. Okay, insect bite. Remove the insect carefully. Okay. If some insects bites means some water, yeah, some if you take some insects poison bites us means what is the first aid that we should give? Come we will see that. Remove the insect carefully. Press an ice pack to that site. Apply ice or run cold water over it. Wash the sting site and apply calamine lotion or an antiseptic cream. Okay, everybody should keep antiseptic cream at your home. Okay, so that, see what we should do, we should wash that place. Okay, wash the place where the insect bite. Okay, and with the ice water or cold water and apply calamine lotion. Okay, you must be prepared for emergency. Okay, every home, school and school bus must have a first aid box. Okay, it is always best to follow safety rules and avoid accidents. So that we can avoid accidents by following the safety rules. So in your school, in your home and also in this in your school bus, first aid box should be there. Okay, so that we can give first aid to the injured person at that time itself, so that it can save the lives before taking them to the hospital or to the doctor. Okay, understood children? So be safe, take care of your health and okay, okay children, understood?